today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Clover Pom-Pom Makers. They come in several sizes, so you can make all different size pom-poms for your crochet projects. It's fairly easy. There's 2 arms on each side. Open those up. Get your yarn. You're going to just start wrapping the yarn around both arms. Just go back and forth. Cover the little tail so it's secure. The more yarn you use, the fuller the pom-pom will be, and the less you use, the looser it'll look. I like a nice full pom-pom, so I wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap and use the yarn until it's flat down here at the bottom. Okay, when you have one side finished, close the arm and then snip your yarn off and then wrap the other side. Close the arm again, snip the yarn, then you want to hold the arms down, take a pair of sharp scissors and cut the center, and you can kind of feel where the center is because of the little groove. You just follow the groove, cut the yarn, flip it over and do the other side. Make sure you hold the little arms down so they don't open up while you're cutting. Okay, once you cut through all those layers, cut yourself a long piece of yarn and go in between into the middle, bring it up, tie a knot, pull it tight, bring the yarn back to the other side, and I like to make it really secure, so I do a few. And then I double knot it to make sure it's secure. You can lift up the arms and pull it apart. And you have a pom-pom. And then you can trim off any extra long pieces that popped out. That's how easy those little Clover Pom-Pom makers are. On my blog, there's a post on how to use these two with written instructions. I'll put a description below. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.